I'm Troy Beverly, and this is Pan-African News. The Democratic Republic of Congo. DRC sues Apple for sourcing blood minerals to manufacture its products. The Democratic Republic of the Congo filed a criminal case against the French and Belgian subsidiaries of Apple on Tuesday, December 17, 2024, accusing them of sourcing blood minerals used to manufacture their products. The DRC has untapped reserves of precious metals and minerals, including coltan, cobalt, zinc, tin, gold, and diamonds, in the eastern part of the country with an estimated value of $24 trillion. However, neighboring Rwanda exports more minerals like coltan and gold than it produces by smuggling them from the war-ravaged eastern DRC before they enter global supply chains. It is well documented that Rwanda also supports the M23 rebels who, according to the UN, earn $300,000 per month from the Rubaya mining area in eastern DRC, which they seized in April. According to Bing Copilot, since the M23 rebels resurfaced in 2021, hundreds of Congolese civilians have been killed and millions more have been displaced. As reported by 7sur7, lawyers representing the Congolese government, Robert Amsterdam, William Bourdon, Vincent Brengarth, and Christophe Marchand, mentioned in a press release the, quote, deceptive commercial practices that Apple allegedly uses to reassure consumers that the supply chains are clean, unquote. As stated by AFP, when Apple CEO Tim Cook and Apple subsidiaries in France were asked by the Congolese legal team in April if minerals smuggled out of eastern DRC made it into their supply chain, no meaningful response was given. Consequently, Washington-based lawyer Robert Amsterdam quipped, quote, "Color Apple red and not green. It is $1 trillion company that must be assumed to know the consequences of its actions," unquote. As reported by Reuters, Apple claims to use the ITSCI monitoring and certification scheme to certify its 3T minerals, tin, tungsten, and tantalum, known also as conflict minerals. Nevertheless, the Congolese legal team argues that the ITSCI has been discredited by organizations like Responsible Minerals Initiative, RMI, which, according to Bing Copilot, quote, is a valuable resource for companies looking to improve their responsible sourcing practices, unquote. The Congolese legal team chose France and Belgium to launch their case because these two countries are known for holding corporations accountable for their actions. In an unrelated case in March, a U.S. federal court dismissed a case implicating Apple, Google, Tesla, Dell, and Microsoft of being complicit with child labor in Congolese cobalt mines.